Hey guys, in this problem we have x as a random variable follows normal distribution with mean equals 1.5 and standard deviation equals 0.02. So the variance is 0.02 squared. Okay, now let's find the probability of x where x 1.45 and less than 1.55. Okay, so it's the probability of x less than 1.55 minus the probability of x less than 1.45. Okay, so after standardization it's the same as probability of z less than 2.5 minus the probability of z less than negative 2.5. Okay, so from the z table we get this 0.9938